Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is an awesome update and an enhancement to the campaign management section under email marketing. So a couple of things here. We've introduced some key improvements to give you kind of more control and visibility over your campaign. So first up, campaign stats view. So campaign stats are now available on a dedicated page. So what's kind of cool about that is we're replacing the old modal for easier access and better visualization. And I'll actually go through these screenshots here in a second. Pause resume support in Send Now, so you can now pause and resume campaigns that are sent through the Send Now option, which allows you obviously more control there. And then also processing status for active campaigns. So a new processing status indicator shows real-time progress for campaigns that are running, and you can see that right here on the screen where I'm at. And then let's jump over here, pause resume here for your sort of Send Now campaigns. And then finally, now the campaign stats have been moved to a brand new page so that you can see them all hanging out on their own, which is fantastic. A couple of benefits, obviously easier navigation, more control, and a lot clearer insights when trying to show your customers what's going on, and also work on, deal with, and manage email campaigns both in real time and after the fact. So anyhow, on that note, I hope you're having an awesome Thursday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.